This is tobva tadii gang. Do you remember them? They're out of jail now. Let me remind you for a moment. Warning. This video contains over 18 language in Shona, which may be disturbing if you're watching as a family or in public. So please consider putting earphones if you are watching with elderly people. This is a story from iharare.com. The three youthful artisanal miners who went viral after a video of them narrating how they gang raped sex workers are back in the streets after being released from jail. The three became known as tobva tadii paya gang after a statement mentioned by the video narrator Romeo Chirara, who was a teenager at the time. On Friday, a video of Romeo Chirara with his two friends Admire Chirongoma and Tabani Gaza did the rounds on social media. Zimbabweans were amazed by Chirongoma and Gaza and Chirara's glow up from being dusty teenage artisanal miners. Zimbabweans took to social media and expressed how the trio were looking good for people who had lengthy stay behind bars. Below are some of the comments. Benjamin Junior Chirandi says, "Tobva tato glowa paya kungeta tiri ku diaspora. Seti Pablo kikiki abuda mjeri wacho akutoita unge ndiye anga ari panze akutoita unge ndiye ari mujeri. Ha kanyika kedu kanaka." Remember, this is not the first time these guys came out to the public. In 2021, the sister of the nation Tilda Moy went to prison, which they were, and got them an interview to find out what happened. Video is there on a Facebook page. One might be wondering, how come they are out so fast? Well, jail years are calculated different. If it's 12 months in jail, this excludes weekends, which makes a month to have 20 days. So 7 years is literally 5 years, if my maths is correct. Well, folks, what do you make of this crew coming out? Do you think they have learned their lesson in jail? Will they change their ways, or the peer pressure plus criminal record coupled with unemployment in the country will push them back to crime? Well, as JCTV, we hope we can strike an interview with these dudes soon, or some medias are already on it and will gladly review it. Till next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video.